It doesn't really matter which kind of a business you're running online, but definitely if you do have a website, if you're making a content, if you want to be visible to the search engines, you need to use an SEO tool to find the correct keywords to run your advertising, to run your content, and so on. Which tool to use in this case? Today in this video, I'm going to show you SurgeGraph, one of the coolest tools that will allow you to stay visible to search engines and that will allow you to be more profitable. So stay tuned till the end of this video not to miss any important information. This is the official website of SurgeGraph. It was LSI Graph, and now they made a rebranding. They called SurgeGraph right now, and this is one of the most convenient tools available on the market for the moment to make your keyword research, to make your content planning, and to write a great content. And I'm going to show you how it looks from inside. Now, so let's take a look to the official website. Keyword research, you can find perfect low-hanging fruits with keyword research. Sort your keywords by opportunity score and identify keywords with the best ROI. Easily discover the related keywords with the topic clustering to identify topic groups that would best maximize your traffic. Analyze competitors with the SERP analyzer and get an in-depth analysis on top ranking content with a click of a button. Also, you can write and optimize ranking content with Semantic Writer. This is really cool feature that will help you to make your content better and better. You can score your content by benchmarking them against top ranking content and tweak your content with to your desired score with optimization suggestions. You can target the accurate audience, what's important really, by building better context for your content with contextual terms. You can discover content ideas and gain insights into your target traffic with popular questions also. And there's a planner where you can strategize content to target the right audience with a planner. You can evaluate and organize your favorite keywords, select high quality, relevant keywords with a keyword management, say goodbye to spreadsheets, drag and drop keywords in the keyword mapper to plan out your content silo, get the latest overview of your keyword map with data overview, plan and gauge the potential of content silo in real time. And also, there's a bulk keyword research, what's really cool feature, and it really helps because you can maximize research efficiency with bulk keyword research, maximize efficiency and save time by searching up to 500 keywords in bulk keyword data. Effortlessly add your favorite keywords to the planner with seamless integration between features. Say goodbye to manually inputting each keyword. Drop your CSV file and have them imported automatically from your bulk keyword research. This is really cool feature and really convenient tool. So how it works? You find the best keywords for your content with proprietary keyword suggestion algorithm. You can plan your content, all right, and you can write content right inside this tool. So you can improve your YouTube, webcast, blog, tutorial, and all the things that you need to improve using this tool. So that is time to jump inside because I want to show you what do you have inside and how to use this tool. Okay, we are inside and we do have a dashboard here. You can sort it by keyword research, planner, content writer, and bulk keyword research depending on your needs. So let's jump to keyword research. Start a quick tour. And so on. You can put your keywords here. For example, let it be best what? Okay, research keyword. This is really not the key word, but this is best. Okay, and now you can. What do we have here? Of course, you need to choose the place. You need to choose a country. You need to choose a language. And here you go. What do we have here? We have the keywords, right? That's best. We can see the trend for the last 12 months. You can see the search volume of this tool. You can see the difficulty of the ranking for a particular keyword. It's keyword difficulty. This is achieved by analyzing the keyword's top 10 ranking pages. The opportunity score tells you the keywords you should prioritize in the list. CPC cost per click. You can see the average cost per click in Google advertising. And competition shows the competitive keyword in Google Ads. More competitive keywords has more advertisers building for it. So it is like 100% competitive, okay? Best, now you need to use the word of your niche. Or this is hardware, or this is software, or this is clothes, or this is toy. Let's use the best toys just to show you. All right, now we have the results, and you can analyze all the keywords like best toys. We have the trend that is not so big. For example, we have 4.4 volume. We have key difficulty medium. We have opportunity score like 54 and $1.41 for cost per click, but it's really high competitive. It's 100%. So it can cost you more to advertise your content with these keywords. And you can perform a deep search for niche keyword, check back in an hour, so you can leave the system to work for you, because there's a great amount of information. And here in the left side, you have the total number of contextual and related keywords found on the seed keyword. You have the total value. You have the aggregated distribution of search input for all related keywords. You have the average keyword difficulty for all keywords. So this is low difficulty. Average cost per click 0.43, and average competition score for all of these keywords 28%. There's also really cool feature like SERP analyzer. There's the topics, word count, and you can see the content. You can see the competitors that are on the top for this search. Like number 1, best toys for kids by age, top kids learning toys, and this is some kind of tags. For example, yeah, toys and games, bestsellers. Of course, Amazon is here. Hot toys of the year, Target, and so on. You can search for the content. Also, there's great feature that called long tail. If you're familiar for the long tail, for the SEO, you know what the long tail is, but this tool will help you to find more and more profitable keywords with the phrases. Guys. Trending toys for girls, popular girl toys 2022, and so on. Top 10 toys in the world, like medium opportunity. There's a high opportunity, and you see the trend. Trend is ongoing. So this is really cool tool for you to make comprehensive keyword research. There's also planner. You can plan your keyword research. You can improve your efforts to make the perfect content that will be perfect for your business. There's a content writer. Create content that Google loves. Enter your target keyword and get your list of contextual terms and start creating contextually sound content to bring the most relevant traffic. This is really cool. Search the sweet spot of the number of contextual terms. So this is really how to use it. Enhance your content with sentence suggestions. Create most relevant content with SERP filter. Add comprehensive guidelines for all your content writing needs. So I'm not going to show you how to use this tool, but definitely you need to check it out. Of course, all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. And here you can use up to 500 lines of keywords with import CSV. So if you do have already some keywords that you're using in your business already, you can drop it here. You can import CSV file with your keywords and up to 500 lines, and the system will bring you results, and you will understand what are hidden keywords that you can use. What are those keywords that will help you to build more efficient content? So guys, definitely you need to check this tool out. If you're using SEO tools in general, check this one, because this is comprehensive, this is really powerful, it works as you need it to work, and definitely it will help you to be more precise in your SEO efforts. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed, hope this was useful. All the useful links are under this video in the description panel. Make sure to check it out right now, and I wish you good luck, I wish you big profits. Stay tuned, see ya in the next video. Bye bye.